There we go, bro. That's my bit of wood I've found. Gonna sand it really smooth. And that's what's got on it. See how this goes, bro. Sure. Update you soon, or bro. Okay, bro. Here we go, mate. I just drew all the details of that onto that. Just roughly, like, just to give me something to go off. There we go. There we go, guys. That's what we got done so far. The pan started to heat up there now, so I'm going to let the pan cool down. Next time I'm going to just hang the camera looking down the way because it's pretty awkward doing that, but I just want to see it for myself what it looks like. Started to detail a wee bottom bit there, bro, just at the trousers. Start to do wee details on the crow there. Got the most of the outside of it's burnt down. There we go, bro. Sort of take shape now. Started to put the outlines and stuff over certain parts. More the shadows starting to go on it. Started to define the beard. See the twists and all stuff in it. Got the shading done on most of the helmet. Still to do that bird. Got a wee rough shading done on the hand. Started to do the hair. Most of the background textures are in now. Shading done on that arm. It's all good, bro. Taking shape now. What do you think, bro? I made myself 2 wee tools. 2 wee magic wands, bro. And I can just hold it like a pen. Let's see. my hand, I can just use it like that, put the highlights in, clean up all them wee bits. And so we're just going to run around and do some highlights on the beard parts of it. See it? Very gently. So I'll run around it all here, give it a few wee touch-ups here and there. See how it goes, bro. Oh, good. Having a whiskey. Watching the sun go down. Scraping in highlights. Oh, good. Let's say, that's my new tools, bro. That's my old tool, bro. And that is Odin. There we go, guys. That is him done. I'll maybe give it a few wee highlights. Just myself. See how it looks. But I'm pretty pleased with that. I know it needs some highlights put into this arm. Maybe a few, one or two wee tiny highlights, but there you go, guys. Really pleased with that. It's just in a wee bit of spalted silver birch, or not even just birch, just a log. Just whacked that in half. Sanded it up to 220 grit, and then just drew that on with a pencil, and then just kept an eye on the image, and just added it in. And the trick is, don't look at it like it's the image. Every wee bit's just a shape, so all I'm doing is filling in the shape and filling in the shadow, filling in a shape. I don't look at that as the arm, guys. I just look at it as all wee tiny shapes. And if you make all the shapes look like the way they are, then the thing looks alright. There you go, guys. Really pleased with it. All I need to do now is give it a hit with some lacquer. But there you go. Oh, good. Well, guys, that is him complete. Stuck all the highlights in it. Got the hair all finished and the beard. Done the jacket. I think that's looking alright. And now, for the moment of truth, I'm going to give it a wee spray with this lacquer. This is spalted birch. So I haven't a clue what way it's going to come out. So wish me luck, guys. Doesn't work out anyway, I'll just burn another one, but here we go. Right, guys, let's just keep it here. That's not bad. I'll let that dry in and I'll give it an RV coat. So, have a wee smoke break here and come back to it. Just in the wee tent here now, guys. You haven't seen the tent yet. This is the new carving tent. Just in the process of setting it up here now, so once we get this rocking and rolling, we'll be good for the old chainsaw carving. Whatever else, so I'll let this settle for a wee bit and then I'll give it an RV hit with a lacquer. I'll take it inside and do the last video inside because this camera's jumping. I can see it switching between blue light and yellow light, so you see this building starting to come out in the background there. That's been about 20 minutes from that first coating on it, so it's time to give it a wee second coat here and we'll see how it goes. So try and keep the camera nice and steady here. See if I can get the colour changing. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. Starting to bring that background out a bit more now. I'll let that dry in. And I'll come back to it. Now here we go, guys. Lacquer number 3.